Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your customer loyalty with LoyaltyLion, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your customer loyalty with LoyaltyLion, start by signing up for the platform. Visit the LoyaltyLion website and create an account. Fill in the necessary information about your business. Once you're logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. Begin by customizing your loyalty program. Choose a reward structure that aligns with your business goals. Decide what behaviors you want to reward, such as purchases, referrals, or social media shares. Set points values for each action to incentivize participation. Next, select the design and branding elements of your program. Make sure the program reflects your brand's identity and appeals to your customers. Now, integrate LoyaltyLion with your online store. Choose from the available integrations for platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, or WooCommerce. Follow the prompts to connect your store and synchronize customer data. After integration, test the program to ensure everything functions correctly. Perform a test transaction to verify that points are awarded as expected. Communicate your loyalty program to your customers. Create informative content that explains how the program works and its benefits. Utilize social media, newsletters, and your website to spread the word. Encourage customer participation by promoting special sign-up bonuses or limited-time rewards. Gather and analyze data on customer interactions with the program. Use LoyaltyLion's analytics tools to track engagement and participation rates. Make adjustments based on the insights you gather to keep the program effective and appealing. Periodically refresh your rewards and incentives to maintain customer interest. Consider seasonal promotions or exclusive rewards to keep your program dynamic. As you monitor your program, actively solicit feedback from your customers. Reach out through surveys or direct communication to understand their experiences. Use this feedback to make informed decisions on future enhancements. Finally, celebrate milestones with your loyal customers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.